MoeTheDriver.
Greetings, welcome back. So what we've done is we went ahead and put a good wire wheel on here on the frame and a lot of the cross members, and we see that you know, some of the metal's not too bad, but there are some parts that really need to be cleaned up a little bit more with the hard grind. And as we got down to some of this, you know, bare metal, or what we thought was going to be bare metal, we have seen that there is not a lot of bare metal in the rear. Most of it is rust and, I mean, holes through it and all that. So what we're going to do is we're going to chop the whole back end of the truck off right here by the mounts. And we're just going to start over, man. We're going to rebuild frame rails, and we're just going to start over from scratch and rebuild the whole rear of the truck. It will look factory or factory enough so we can still race in certain classes, but we're just going to cut it off. Front cross member looks pretty good. We're going to change the steering rack and all that, but yeah, we're going to get to it real soon.